What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Hope you guys having a great day. We're having a great day. Just got the Notre dunks, the light Orewood brown colorway. We're gonna cut into this. There's just a side note before we start off. Always be sure to report if you ever see something like this delivered from UPS, when they go ahead and take a poke, take a look, see, oh yeah, red box, you know. If it's ever a Jordan 1, you don't know what they're gonna do. Everybody knows what that looks like since '85. So yeah, be careful. If you ever see this, go ahead and report it to whoever delivered it, so that they know what's going on with your stuff. Okay guys, here we go. Like the video, subscribe to the channel please. We have some giveaways coming up at some point. We get that to you within the next several months. Gotta be really careful not to go deep in here. See, you got the handshake, Notre check all over. A little dangerous for the shipping, but we'll take it. We'll take it. I like it. People try to rip this open. There we go. We got the receipt right here. Special box, but that's okay. So the tag reads Nike Dunk Hide / Notre light Orewood brown. Orewood brown. We gave you guys a close up. Get a little flash. Kids can see the box. Suggested retail $150. Should look like this, you guys. Let's get as detailed as possible. Okay, here we go. Straight into it. So hot. Woo.
Gold.
Hey. Okay. I see this. I see this being one of my favorites. This is gonna get way better with age. You can
Gold.
very good leather. Thick leather. You can see inside the toe boxes how thick the leather actually goes down. Pretty good. Solid. A little bit of a layered leather texture on the wing. Amazing handshake with the leather one out here. Fire. Notre Dunk Hide. You can see the thickness of the leather. You get a little bit of look at the insole. It's like a cream Nike check right there. It's not a SB. We have nothing on the insole. Shout out to T-Mek for giving us the underneath right there. Leather on the back of the tab. In the back, regular Nike tab. With this one, of course, the other one doesn't have the Notre on there. Behind the Notre, it's like almost like a very light pink, or bright white, that is actually. And then the cream behind that with canvas material. The canvas on the tongue is slightly different from the canvas on the side panel. Same as this one right here is the side panel. The back, we got the reflective. Ooh, that looks really nice on the camera right there.
Gold.
We got the reflective on the back with this mesh on top of a cotton knit material that's 3M. So you guys know legit pairs will have this little cut right here. Looks like it goes just over the top of the back of the shoe. This leather on the inside is very plush. It's definitely going to get better with age. Bottom, classic Nike Dunk bottom. Let's get that in the camera. Correct.
Gold.
Classic Dunk bottom. Let's get it up close on the side panels. Swoosh. Very soft long hair suede. On this shoe, more so than the the midnight navy pair, you can see that there's triple stitching involved right here. Normally it's just double. It's pretty nice. Cream with the red. The handshake, it's gonna be instant classic. Super nice. And we will be giving you guys an on foot for this because this is not for sale. This is too nice. This is gonna stay in my collection a very long time. If this gets to be torn away, go ahead and resole it, because this is the type of material you can use over and over and over again. Kind of like that the inside of the shoe has the choice of the handshake on the inside, because it's kind of like a little bit more intimate. Sure, it's like on the inside, people don't really see it until they're close up to you. Kind of makes it a little bit like more, internal, what's the word, unification. We got cream, super nice SB style laces. Not bad about the flash. Camera's low.
Gold.
We got really nice hemp looking laces with the clear lace tips in addition to that. And yeah, overall really nice shoe. Definitely gonna hit you guys with the on foot for this one. This is the other side of the of the Nike sign right there. Orewood brown. Sail midsole. Slightly darker sail bottom. It's like the light Orewood brown rubber. And I think they did a really good job with this. I'm very happy. Thank you so much for making this, Notre and Nike. You guys really did a good job on this one. This is, whew. Got the Union vibes right here. The triple stitching. Yes, sir. This is gonna be a keeper. Now to get you that on foot video.